Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing well. So students, today our topic is what is matter and its type. So let's move towards main topic. First let's talk about what is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. Basically occupy space and has mass means have any weight, okay, have any weight and secures any space. If we place any matter on anything, it occupies space, it takes space and have some weight, mass. Basically mass and weight are not the same thing. Basically they both are different thing. If you want a proper detailed video on difference between mass and weight, you can comment below. Back to the topic. Everything around us is made up of matter. Basically everything, okay, everything is made up of matter. For example, water have some space now, some mass now, and also occupy space, so water is matter. Air is not visible, we can't see air with our naked eye, but air has some space, okay, air has some mass, okay, and occupy space, okay. Rock, what is rock? Rock, okay, any type of rock, okay, have mass, occupy space, okay. Animals, people, etc., each and everything is made up of matter, okay. Let's move towards second topic, state of matter. What? States of matter. Students, there are three states of matter, okay. How many? Repeat after me. There are three states of matter. Number one, solid. Students, repeat with me. Solid, liquid, gas. Once again, solid, liquid, gas. Many states? How many states? Solid, liquid, gas. Three type of states, okay. Now let's move towards solid. Let's understand property of solid. Solid have a fixed shape and volume, okay. Matters such are solids have fixed shape, okay. Solid things are fixed now, we can't change their shapes, okay, and have fixed volume, we can't add anything in them or separate anything from them to change their volume. So they have definite volume and space, means exact or same or fixed volume and shape, okay. Second thing is particles are tightly packed. In solid matters, the particles are tightly packed. As you can see on the screen, the diagram shows tightly packed particles which are of solid, okay. Third point is cannot be compressed easily. As solids have fixed shape and volume and solid particles are tightly packed, so it's like very difficult to compress it, okay. It cannot be compressed very easily because the force of attraction between their particles are so high, they are like very tightly packed. For example, we have anything which is solid, okay, we can't compress it now. For example, we have to open it, we can't open a very tight packed thing, okay. Yes, now we face very difficulties to open a very tight closed bag now. So here similarly solid particles are tightly packed which cannot be easily compressed. For example, ice, okay, books, table, pencil, etc. There are lots of examples. Now let's move towards liquid, okay. Liquid have fixed volume but no fixed shape, okay. Liquids have fixed volume, students, but no fixed shapes. Okay. Number second point, take the shape of their container. Liquids always take the shape of their container. They do not have fixed shape. Yes, exactly. Particles are loosely packed. Okay, particles are loosely packed, as you can see on the diagram on the left hand, which shows particles are loosely packed. For example, if we weigh some water 1 cup, so its volume will be same, but if we pour it into glass, it will take the shape of glass. If we pour it in bowl, it will take the shape of bowl. But if we weight it, the quantity of water, the volume of water will be always same, as liquids have exact definite volume but not fixed shape. For example, juice, oil, etc. Now let's move towards last but not least, gases. Gases have no definite shape and volume. Okay, gases do not have fixed volume and shape. Okay, it can be any type of volume, it have no fixed volume or any shape. Okay, spread to fill any space. Okay, spread to fill any space. Particles are far apart and move freely. Causes of freely movable particles: air do not have definite volume and shape. Okay, for example, air takes a shape where it will be present, and due to freely move particles, its particles continuously move. Okay, because they have no force of attraction. Okay, so due to it, their particles are free to move anywhere, so it also do not have any fixed volume. Okay, students, so let's do a quick review, then I will show a quiz on the screen which you have to answer me in the comments, so that you can check how much your concepts are clear and what you have to still repeat. Okay, so let's do a quick review. Solids, fixed shape and volume. Liquids, fixed volume, no shape. Gases, no fixed shape or volume. All the forms of matter with different particles arrangement. Okay, students, now a quiz time. Which states of matter has the fixed shape? Comment down below and don't try to cheat. If you aren't, if you can answer it, it's brilliant. But if you can't, no problem. Watch the video from start and keep yourself motivated. Question number 2 is, which states of matter can flow? Okay, and number 3, last but not least, third question is, name any one example of gas. Okay, these are very easiest questions. Okay, answer them in comments. I will check and pin a comment which answered all questions correct. Hope your all concepts are clear. Thank you. Hope you enjoy learning more about matter. Stay curious and keep exploring science. Allah Hafiz.